Hi, right now it's right after the holidays. We've got leftover turkey, perhaps you do too. Maybe you're short of time. I've got a recipe to take care of all of those problems. I am going to show you how to make turkey tortilla soup. Now this is actually my wife's recipe and she normally makes it with chicken, but it's going to turn out just as good with turkey, and it does not take that long to prepare. In fact, you could even do this the night before. Take your liner from your crock pot, just stick it in the refrigerator, be ready to slip it in there first thing in the morning. You're ready for dinner when you get home from work. This is going to be awesome. Let's get started. First, I'm going to be adding about a half an onion to the crock pot. Now we bought chopped onion just to kind of make things simpler here. The other half I'm going to be saving for another turkey leftover recipe because we have a lot of leftover turkey. It was awesome, by the way, and if you want to check out how to make a turkey, I will have links down below for part 1, how to season and age a turkey, part 2, how to bake and transport a turkey, just in case you're making it to bring to somebody else's home. But now, leftover turkey. I'm going to be taking about 2 cups of the chopped up turkey meat, adding that to all the onions that we put in there. I've got a package of Taco Bell mild taco seasoning mix. Just sprinkle that on. I've got a package of ranch salad dressing mix. Sprinkle that on. El Paso chopped green chilies. Now it doesn't have to be El Paso, but that generally is probably going to be something that you can find just about everywhere. Just put the whole container in there. Whole can of pinto beans. Can of sweet golden corn. So no, this is not a recipe for carnivores. Black beans. Just dump the whole can in there. Got refried beans. And I've got a can of diced tomatoes. Plop those all in. I'm going to be using something to just kind of stir it all up with here. Get it all good and blended together. Because you do want all those flavors to be melding together, not just sitting on top of each other. This is looking terrific. Now, we're not done yet. There's a line in here that I'm going to be pouring water into. And I'm just going to make use of that bowl to add the water. Almost. Perfect. Now, let me grab this little camera here. Talking about this little line right there. That's the line that we filled up for. That's our water line. Again, getting things good and mixed up. Going to turn on the slow cooker. I'm going to put it on the low setting, and it is going to be sitting in here for about the next 6 to 8 hours. I told you this is simple. So I will see y'all in about 6 to 8 hours. Put my lid on here. Now, if you use a plastic liner, that's fine, but you know, last time I did that, I got a lot of comments from people. And quite frankly, maybe they're right, because when I checked the box, it didn't say anything about, you know, being BPA free or PFAS free. So it was a Kroger knockoff of a Reynolds aluminum product. So I think I'll have to look for the original Reynolds product and check their box, but it did not say anything about being that chemical free. So to be on the safe side, I did not use a liner bag, so I hope you all are proud of me. That said, I will see y'all in just a little while. Okay, I'm back, It's been about 6.5 hours since I started this, so it's smelling really terrific. This is gonna be great. Before I do a quick taste test here, let me just remind you that if you're going into the holiday season especially, and you're doing a turkey for Thanksgiving or Christmas or any other special occasion, I'm gonna have links down below to parts 1 and 2 of my turkey baking videos. The first one for seasoning and aging turkeys, the second one for baking and transporting turkeys. I'm also gonna have another link down there for my video on chicken pot pie, which works great with turkey. I promise I've done it. It's awesome turkey pot pie. But today we are dealing with turkey tortilla soup, and I can't wait to try this. It's just the aroma when I walked in the door. Check that out. Big chunks of ingredients. Now it's pretty hot actually, so I'm probably gonna wind up burning my mouth. So if you see me screaming, that's what it's all about. It is very hot, which makes it tough to taste it, but I am tasting it and it does taste great. This is gonna make for a great meal. It's gonna be easy to, put away. You can even put it into a container, freeze a part of it. This is awesome. Your family's gonna love this. If you're liking the video, consider giving me a like down below, maybe a subscription, and I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.